The leader of the Crimean Tatars, Mustafa Cemilev, has been awarded the Solidarity Prize at a ceremony in Warsaw attended by US Secretary of State John Kerry and Ukrainian President-elect Petro Poroshenko. This is the first time that the prize, issued by Poland's Foreign Ministry, has been awarded. The 70-year-old Dzhemilev was a dissident during the Soviet era and has more recently protested against Russia's annexation of Ukraine's Crimean Peninsula, an area which the Tatars consider their spiritual home. Speaking at the ceremony, Poroshenko made a thinly veiled reference to Russia, which is believed to be backing a separatist insurgency in East Ukraine.
And we see that the whole world are now together with us. Aggressor are in isolation. And we need to demonstrate that our unity brings our country to prosperity, to victory.
Poroshenko is meeting US President Barack Obama and other world leaders on his trip to Poland ahead of D-Day commemorations in France, where Russian President Vladimir Putin is also expected to be in attendance.